Big up Crosses TV.
One crosses TV. Them know way. Don't play with crosses TV. Ooh, cute.
Kim, you nasty Kim. You
Yeah.
dirty Kim. Boy, you over my page. Kim, I when my have shiny furniture, you not have none. Kim, you go walk on the road and go pick up the junkie them and take them and people them. Kim, when you do the people them tax, why you take them social security and take out car? Kim, you not have no credit. Kim, you can't chat to me. Kim,
Yeah,
if
man.
me rather big and fat and swat, yeah, my belly hangovers dance, yeah, my pussy hangover. All you do, all Kim do, people, I target the Jamaican them. We want paperwork and rob them. What she do? She go pick up the junkie them, charge the people them until she know say Kim, me are the wrong girl you fuck with cause me will stay right here so. The only reason why me would the blood clot fix you are because of the Jamaican people them. Cause only them alone they can blood clot talk to. Stay in your Costa Rica blood clot lane cause we not accept you in our Jamaican community. You can't argue with me, Kim, cause you're not top girl. Kim, your first pitney, father house, go and pay the EPA back money where them gonna take with the blood clot house. The time, Kim remember say you only have money at tax season, one time for the year, One time for the year, when they file the people them tax, rob up the people them money, when the tax man tell the people them say, you owe 20 grand, you owe 30 grand. Your file be a fake blood clot document. Kim, me get your file right here so. And me can stay right here so if I ask Dan about me, ask Dan about blood clot me. So me are the wrong one you fuck with, and me are the wrong one you want argue with. Cause me will stay right here so and fix you. You understand? You take up the mad people them and the junkie them and make the people them marry them. Not for the people them not get them paperwork. And you rob the people them money and to your nose so the Jamaican people them coward and afraid that want them paperwork. You can't target no other nation but Jamaican. Hmm? No other nation. You can't blood clot target. And then when they do the people them tax, you rob the people them social security and take out all type of thing in the people them name and fuck up the people them name. Cause you don't have no credit in America. Me no want your shape, Kim. Me no want your blood clot shape. So when you Dan come show you about throat and that. Remember me have a big blood clot tattoo in my chest, Remember me have a big butterfly in my chest, Yeah. You understand? Idiot blood clot girl Kim. Kim when your man put on him knapsack bag and run away for you. Go fuck off all of your blood clot friend them. Hmm? Or you have to talk to me, Kim? Eh? You clean house, you do house, you get up 24/7 upon internet and you say it's a business woman. Hmm? Only tax season. And when you walk along on the road, go pick up the blood clot junkie them for marry the people them and rob them money. Stay in your blood clot Cascorico and go mix with the Spanish people them. Stop target with the Jamaican them and rob with money. Wicked gal. Hmm? Your address dirty. Your friend will get, yeah, your dirty friend. Your dirty friend
Robert,
will get
Robert.
all. I must say, Connecticut. Yeah? Pa fraud. And you lock off your phone and then hide him so. That's so all your blood clot, Kim, because you're not no sense. You can't do so much legal activity and they on social media argue with blood clot people. Remember say that and done that already, Everybody beat and cheat. Everybody knows that and liar and then come out here and tell all type of lie and fabricate stuff from people for bring wrong people. Nothing will come out of that mouth no blood clot through. That is no body America. Dan, oh, you see me naked. Me tell you, say, Dan, you want something pussy, you think I joke me, I make Dan, you describe me. Oh, you see me blood clot naked and me not just in front of you. Me not dressed in front of you. Eh? And you dirty part of Campbell. When me I go Jamaica the time, Me, Rallying, Kemar, and Caris, and Kalia. 5 blood clot ticket my buy. And my friend can send me the proof. And them waiting me extend me blood clot ticket for 2 weeks. And then I go Jamaica blood clot 2 times. And the 2 times I go Jamaica 1,000 and me pay for my ticket. Each. Nasty Polly Campbell. So when you over there I write up a talk about and she borrow money to buy a ticket. Me send my money cash go give my friend for buy me ticket. You know what I to know? Because I can't know my business. Dan, me supposed to take back my blood clot baby father. Me supposed to take him. I only come meddle in my business. Me never send blood clot call, you know. I only come meddle and I shame the whole of the blood clot shame. I when him have one eye piece of blood clot eye, him is mine. Cause no, him not crying like Brandon. Me not ask you. Him not crying like blood clot Brandon. And Kim a hold on pan a crying man. We full up our hole. Kim, you don't know. You don't know me. Me never catch a disease in all of my life yet. Never. Whether in my mouth or in my blood clot hole. My man the right side of blood clot me can tell you never. Never make him old scratch him. Never make him old drain. So when you sit down and listen to that with your big bubble blood clot hell, go give back the people them money where you rob. The food come, the grocery come. Go give back the blood clot people them money. Eh? Your target blood clot Jamaican. Your target way. And rob up the people them money. And you know say if you're married, not for the people that when they're married, the drunkie them cause you have to marry somebody where you work and I pay tax. And you charge the people them 15 and 20 blood clot also. And the people them don't get no stay or nothing. And the people them afraid. But me the girl yeah. Me the blood clot girl yeah. Kim, we see a yes sir. And blood clot fix you. Me not ask you. Ask Dan about me. You're not ready for that girl yet. Dirty blood clot Kim. Nasty blood clot Cascorico girl. Dirty Spanish all that. Go in your blood clot lane. We not accept you in our Jamaican community. You will never, all if you're married Brandon, you can never own a Jamaica passport. Oh it go. Oh it blood clot go dirty Kim. Nasty Kim. You're there for my parents to watch. Kim, my house clean and nice and comfortable. Remember, you know, remember who have shown the rat them a dancing at your house, you know, Kim. Kim, people get murdered at your house. You know much time police run up in that blood clot. Eh? And who you play with blood clot Spanish all that? Eh? And who you man? And all the blood clots you just step on the internet so and knock up in a wee Jamaican or you reach in a hour thing. Who send call you? Dog get done. Lion Walkless blood clot Dan. Dan, me you know say you not get off your dollar. And Dan, my only strip for my blood clot man. Yeah? Dan, you do surgery. And the surgery fuck up. Me not do no surgery and your belly bigger than my belly Dan. Your belly high up yourself. Your breast them fuck up blood clot Dan. You know stay good. Yeah? So stop make people a fool you when you come out as a big blood clot married all that. And a strip on a blood clot go on. Dan, Ratty see me other day. Ratty see me and Ratty come and talk and say, Tanya might be fat, but Tanya pretty and her skin clean. And I'm here the only fat girl. Eh? No fat we out there, Susie not fat. You not fat, Dan? Dan, look how you stuck up and want stretch. And you come and argue with people. You not have the neck. Dan, me a fat girl, I'm have neck. Dan, the whole of my blood clot body brown in a one. Me no copper color and bad color. Your bad color no blood clot like the Miller's dirt. All you bleach your complexion can't come. It does hurt you. Because you're enough up in my blood clot business. And the boy come right back to me. How it go? Kim, when Dana tell you, say me see a bad, ask Dan why she upset when the nice boy choose me. Ask her why she mad when she see the blood clot boy. Yeah, you think every man want blood clot surgery, Dolly? You think every man want Pinocchio in them blood clot bed? Hmm? The man them want real blood clot woman. Real woman for lie down pan. Yeah. And not every man look for woman like Una Kim. Me know where you are go. Me don't know where you are blood clot go Kim. Come in and know why Dana tell you say listen, you said that one day just leave her alone because me will stay right here so blood clot Kim and start go on my blood clot laptop and start Google and do my research and then me start send email all about how you feel like blood clot Kim and oh yo to your fuck a look of blood clot knock at it rotten teeth yellow teeth man you will never be accepted in our blood clot culture. Cause you not like we. I pretend. I target we. You target we for rob with blood clot money. What kind of business woman your blood clot be? Who would do business with you? Me would do business with you. Me would do blood clot business with you where they on the internet. I give out people information and I put out people social and I do all them blood clot Friday. Kim your broke no blood clot. All the tax area have a little chum change. Up a blood clot breast scheme. Kim your breast them a drag your blood clot down. You need to go do a breast reduction. Me not tell us them do you under the sea. Me not tell us them do you surgery under the blood clot sea. Dan, me will never come strip myself. Me strip for my blood clot man. When my man want fuck me strip for blood clot him. Me now advertise my body on social media. Are you dumb?
Also, you're not whore, and you're not whore like Dan. Dan is a prostitute.
Nasty fuck out blood clot workless woman. But I'm gonna do my surgery. That's another credit card bill where you have to work hard and pay. And your money. All your work, you pay back the people them more money. You pay the interest, nasty woman. Dumb blood clot woman, you pay the Bank of America. All of the interest them blood clot back because you can't pay it off one time. So whatever you pay, most of it are going to interest. Come talk to me, no dirty woman. Nothing about you. Nothing about you, Dan. All the thing about you, your head big no blood clot and lock down for your body. I want you use a screwdriver and screw off your blood clot neck. But if you didn't really, you'll make tough down and be about your blood clot of your idiot girl. Dan, you tell Kim say, my throat rotten, but you name her for me? That don't make no sense, mate. Yeah, show a picture, say my throat rotten out, but you name me fish head. And you name my other fish. First of all, Dan, stop talking about down your yard cause nobody no rate you. And your sister them rate. Nobody never blood clot rally round you. And me say I be all 19 blood clotting man. And that's why I say you don't know me. Because me could have never go down a your community and fuck nobody from blood clot down there. Nasty blood clot, Dan. Back to you, blood clot scammer Kim. The care where you have to tell the people themselves, woman social security, your blood clot take out all tight. I run up the woman name. You're supposed to get old with your friend, you know. A Connecticut, you know. Yeah? When them catch her, you know, do the fraud, you know. So the all Kim do a target with Jamaican.
But
right?
listen up. If Kim not stop, me I call the Fed on her. If she don't stop, me I love you one, you know. If she not stop and stop,
all she do
a big stinking down, me I call the Fed on
target
her.
Jamaican. And because she knows the people them Kim, go take out the coconut them where you have me see them on live and you have 4 coconuts in your blood clot
I
out.
hope you that a science
Kim,
start.
the
A
people them
science.
say when them go for your concentration, the red something where you have burn, it stink and stink up them clothes. The red thread where you have tie up in your blood clot ceiling and the obeah where you have work. Kim cannot make you a better person because your heart dark. You're a fucking thief. You're a soulless drunkard. Soulless, but you have coconut. Coconut red
But
shell.
Tanya, let me ask you a question. Stick a pin, Tanya. How long you not sit down?
Me share up on the internet a cuss.
No, I mean like in a real, in a personal.
Me
How
sit
long you not see her?
down one time.
So
Me
we
sit
don't
down.
know. You not see her. You see her like when you remember you go Jamaica and come up, right? That is all the
Yeah.
time.
That's
So
all
wait
the
there.
time.
A couple months that all the blood clot down I go say you're fat because me no fat. Me buy a treadmill and me pull on my weight and me eat the
Hey,
whole wheat
Dan
food.
fatter than blood
So all the
clot. Then everybody.
blood clot. Remember saying no down the surgery in a mama and down neighbor
Exactly.
button
That's
in
what I
her
am saying. Dan the surgery.
fuck
And
and you know
still
the
bigger
surgery and you
than
want to
me.
Tanya and you look good same way.
Me look nice, no blood
Me
clot,
not have
Dan.
no weight
Me look
on my body. No weight. Me pull down my weight them. That
Dan.
you know girl out here.
All when me belly drop down, pussy, good pussy off a
No
shelter.
worry about that, mama,
You are
because
this.
guess what? That
Shall
easy to take
describe my
off.
pussy people when I listen to the big blood clot old sodomite.
For dance fat too.
She describe my pussy, you know. Say my pussy draw them. Hang down. Oh, you see my pussy draw.
Because she that looks in a glasses to suck on your pussy draw.
Because she the one chew on my pussy. That's
I
why. You see
know.
my pussy. Yeah. Kim, my house clean and I put it up and you have to watch me. Kim, you have to blood clot watch me. You understand? You Africa, all the way me having in my house, you don't have them. Kim, I ask you, come see upon live and I be all
You know
furniture you having in your
see
house.
one dirty coach, Tanya, you know see one dirty coach where Kim having her
And
house.
Kim blood clot ground dirty. Kim,
One
we are
dirty
talk to Kim.
burgundy
Kim, you feel
couch.
do your research about that girl you out here, you know, Kim. Because you see, if you make my bipolar kick into the full force, I will sit down and send email all blood clot about because your name don't in the good book, Kim. All you do, I do fake marriage. Remember your friend said so. Or your friend come out and say, Kim, you do any marriage for morning? Remember your friends say you give Brandon blood clot germs. Remember your man address you as big pussy girl for life. No boy. I went down them did I try to get my baby father for come rub me out and come talk. My baby father say you're mad. How me for come disrespect my baby mother for for blood clot Dan say I make pussy blood clot good. Cause the boy have for come blood clot and as me say ugly than blood clot him and cranny than him. Girl I run down and war. So I'm supposed to want my 1 year man. My cyclops man. Oh it go. But you want your brother. Cause you stuck your brother and sister, you know. Yeah, una brother and sister. Two big head no net blood clot shot tuku.
Tuku.
Run probably their ground. The favor the habit in a
2
lot of the
months.
blood clot ring. Eh? Me never look for blood clot to Toffee. Cause right now Toffee attack and Toffee teeth full of food.
Yo,
Toffee
tough in your
them,
class, you know,
Toffee
Tanya.
20 of
Tanya,
them
tough in
want
your
to
class,
do.
tough hungry and
So
thick.
me not argue with blood clot Toffee. Me
But
not
now
argue
argue with
big
toughy
pussy
for go
blood
beard.
clot Spanish or big pussy Kim. Kim me address you like oh your man address you. Big pussy blood clot Kim. Kim your big son eats you because of your lifestyle. Wanna stop come on social media. At least my business is here out and everybody know what did I go on in my house. But my ask you Dan, what's the new thing going on in my life? Can you talk? Can you say it? Hell to the fucking no. You don't know nothing about me. So you have to stick to the old, she big and fat, I pussy this, I belly drop
That's
down.
why I was
You the
asking you, Tanya,
surgery.
how long you know see us them. They are all news, Kim. Kim, them, they are all
Long
news.
time.
Dan
Yeah?
don't sit on your how much in months. You feel
1
look on Dan
year and
belly.
hard.
You know so Dan
And that just a
belly
lose
look.
our way. You not have to come out here, so.
Oh yeah.
To come show off and come strip. And come no. Because I have big blood clot pitney. You
Right.
understand? Make them see their mother and cuss out to the blood clot. But they not gonna see their mother on YouTube at strip. And I show this. No, Dan. That's why your daughter hates you. You don't have no respect for yourself. And you love draw, so you draw ugly blood clot tree trunk. Essen, you know for talk about teeth in a body mode. Cause Essen, your teeth them look like Dracula. Oh, me gonna do my teeth. Yeah, young girl, what you gonna do teeth? Look at my teeth, them na my head, oh my teeth, them white. Eh? So Kim, you really believe Kim? Look on the picture. I look for my chest and ask down, where is the tattoo? You fall in a down trap. Down, nobody now use ya. Nobody now blood clot use you. Ya run up. Down, remember you bring down Kim Hole and Kim Pitney them hole, you know, and Batty hole, you know. Eh? And then you run gone because guess what? You not have no body for come or fear you fucker you. You have to stand alone. And be a blood clot mouth you have done. And when you see the people them where you say you go beat, you have to hold your head straight and can't even go start turn a side eye. Yeah, right there so. I want to nasty Kimbo big pussy blood clot Tanya. Big pussy Tanya. No girl, that's what your man address you as. Big pussy girl come off of the live. Yeah. Everybody hear it. You want to go for it? I make you hear it. Hmm? So all your man for respect you when your man address you. Stop come out here and talk about your rich. You know what is rich? Rich people don't talk about their riches. Hmm? Rich people wear one white t-shirt and one plain jeans. And they will wear nice trainers. You see them now want Gucci trainers also. But rich people don't come out and say, oh, I'm rich, I'm this, I'm that, I'm this, I'm that. Listen, you know so people are dead in a surgery. Eh? You think me want deadlift my pin them? You think me my man upset me? Any boy. Kim when you talk about when the young boy say niceness, clean blood clot, fat gal, smell good, all of my skin na one. My neck back, all of my body in a one complexion. The girl you love for beard, brush her teeth, and use expensive blood clot skincare. Kim, are you want beard? Because the care where she get, are the woman social. When she file the woman tax, she
Tanya
use
talk boy.
woman social
Talk boy.
and take out care.
So she lose
Yeah.
Tanya
that
talk boy.
care?
Tanya talk boy. Talk boy Brandon when Brandon drive up the junkie round at the block where she live. And Brandon just drive up the crackhead in the car.
Listen, Kimberly, you know, Kimberly is sad because every time our man run away from her with him knock stop, like him a Dora the Explorer no blood clot. He and go fuck all the drunk